Hey guys, it's Molly and it's 1 Minute Wednesday where we heat print together. Today I'm going to show you how to heat print a t-shirt. I'm threading it on to isolate the layers to make sure there's an even application. Then we're going to get our release paper to protect the garment. Pre-press this for 5 seconds. Remove our release paper. We're going to get our Ultracolor Max transfer. This could be your design. All you have to do is upload it online. Place it in the centre. Place your release paper on there again. 12 seconds and you're done. Remove your release paper and this is a hot peel. And finished. That's how easy it is to print a t-shirt. Yeah.